Welcome. This is the final video to fix dual DisplayPort monitor video signal issues with RTX 50 series GPUs. Are you struggling with your monitors flickering, going black, or not showing a signal at all when connected through DisplayPort? This usually happens because of driver conflicts, cable limitations, or the GPU not properly syncing with multiple displays. Most guides online are confusing, full of long steps, and hard to follow, leaving you frustrated. On Rexist, I have a simple trick that solves this problem in minutes without complicated settings or extra software. All you need is a quick adjustment in your GPU settings and a minor cable check, and your dual monitors will work perfectly again. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do, comment below, and I'll make it for you.